Hello friends, and in this video we will talk about how to add new employees to your company or add more employees to I.D.M.A.S. So this come to the main screen, and in the main screen you have the employee database. Click on employee database. Once you click on employee database, the employee database option comes in, and here what you need to do is you just need to create or add the necessary information. So by default, make sure whenever we adding a new employee, all these red boxes that have a red star next to them on red asterisks are updated. So that is the minimum requirement that you need to do. The name of the employee, let's put it a very simple name, and just for the sake of uniformity, let us name it as name2. Email address is optional. If you want to update the email address, go ahead and update it, or else you can leave it blank. Username is, again I will keep it simple, name2. The password for this individual, let us keep it as 2222. Confirm or retype the password is 2222. And if you want to add the date of birth, you can go ahead and click on this, and then you can select whatever is the date of birth. So for now, since this is a test database, I'm just selecting 1st of September, and the home address is, again I will put some entry over here, home address for name2. And then once I have all the information updated, you can also select the manager. Right now name1 is the only manager or the only ID that is created. That is the reason you only see name1 over here. Keep it as it is, and then click on add employee. Once you click on add employee and the employee name is added, you will get a message which says employee record added. Click on OK. Now you will see, if you scroll to the right and to the left again, you will see the name of that individual added. Now say for example, if you want to change my details or the name1 employee details, all you need to do is click on this so that it is highlighted, and then click on edit employee. Once you click on edit employee, you can change all the necessary details, whether it is male, female, or if the person is an analyst, director, executive, manager, vice president. In case in your company, if these are not the designations that you need, or you want to add more designations, you can click on this plus sign and then type in the designation that you want. So I will just put in something, maybe an officer. I'll just put an officer and then click on add a record. Once I click on add record, the record is added, and it says officer field is now added. You can now select from drop down. Click on OK, and when you click on this drop down, now I see officer. I can click on officer and select it. Again, I can also change the department. So if I don't want compliance, I don't need finance, I don't need IT, marketing, or operations, so whichever is applicable, go ahead and put it. So say for example, name1, this person belongs to finance. Click on finance, he's a finance officer. Designation, if you don't see the name of the department that you want, you can go ahead and add it. So for now, that is how you can do it. Let us just cancel this. Let us say that we want to add the email address for this employee. So just put in, I will keep it simple, name1 at email.com. This is just a dummy entry, so I'm just putting whatever I like or I am thinking of right now. I just put in name1 at email.com, and then once you think that the information is updated, just click on add employee. After you click on add employee, the employee record gets updated, and you will get this message which says employee record added. Click OK. Now if you scroll to the right, you will see that the name or the details which we selected are there for this employee. We changed it from an analyst to an officer. Finance, we changed the department to finance, and then we also put the email address of name1. Now let us go ahead and see what does this download button do. Basically what it does is it gives you the access to download the data that you see over here. So what you need to do is just click on download, and once you click on download, you can select the location wherever you want to download this file. So again, what I will do is I will just try to download it at that same location. So I'll just copy this and I will paste it This is the location where I am downloading it. Once I've selected the folder, I just click on OK. Click OK, and then it says the data saved. Click on OK on this message. Now if you want to see what that file is, come over here. It says this is the name of the file, employee data, and so basically we downloaded the employee data. That is the reason you will find this employee data. And once you open this file, this is the data which we had. Now it is in a simple Excel format. So it shows the employee ID of these two employees, it shows the status, it shows the names, the designations, the departments, the manager name, the genders that we have, the date of birth, the email address, the phone numbers, home address, and also the username of all these two people. And the last button that we see over here, which says return to home, all this does is you click on this and it will take you back to the home section of I.D.M.A.S.